Good morning, students. Now I will continue with phasor subtraction. After addition, phasor subtraction. Find 10 sin omega t minus 10 cos omega t. So phasor subtraction. Now before doing phasor subtraction, because addition is convenient than subtraction for people, so I will rewrite this as 10 sin omega t plus of minus 10 cos omega t. Okay, I will rewrite this. Now I will sketch 10 sin omega t. Now you can sketch 10 sin omega t like this. Horizontal phasor, because it is reference, it is starting from 0. So 10 sin omega t is represented like this. Now you sketch 10 cos omega t. So 10 cos omega t is like this. I will show in dotted line. This is 10 cos omega t, because cosine function is ahead of sine function by 90 degrees. Therefore, this phasor represents 10 cos omega t. What is minus? Minus means opposite of this. You invert this. If you invert this, then it is going to be minus 10 cos omega t. So this is also 90 degrees. So this is also 90 degrees, but the magnitude is minus 10. Minus 10. Minus 10. Now complete the parallelogram, or in this case it is square, 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 and this angle is, you can find 45 degrees. It is in this problem, it is 45. Now this becomes minus 10 cos omega t, and the resultant of these two, once again using parallelogram rule, 10 square plus 10 square plus 2 into 10 into 10 cos 90 degrees. Cos 90 degrees. So cos 90 degrees, 0, 0. Therefore, we are left with square root of 200. We are left with square root of 200. Square root of 200 comes out to be 14.14. 14.14. And in this case, this is 45 degrees. You apply tan to this right angle triangle. So tan phi, what is tan phi? Tan phi is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is 10. Opposite side is 10. I am just taking magnitude. Don't bother about negative sign. 10 divided by opposite side by adjacent side. This is also 10. Therefore, phi is equal to tan inverse 1, that is 45 degrees. Therefore, the subtraction, now the subtraction has resulted in this phasor. This phasor length is 14.14. It is lagging behind the reference by 45 degrees. Therefore, the answer is 14.14 sin omega t. This is lagging behind this. Therefore, use minus sign. Sin omega t minus 45 degrees. This is how you have to do subtraction. So, having understood phasors, now you are in a position to tackle phasor addition as well as phasor subtraction. Thank you.